Hello, my wonderful friends. It's me, Teddy, and today, we're going to have a blast drawing Kung Fu Panda. Let's get started by following these simple steps. Begin by drawing his eyes. Make two big, round circles. Next, draw his smirking smile. It's a cute, curved line for his mouth. Right above the smile, draw his nose. It's a small oval shape. Now, create the shape of his mouth by drawing a big, wide curve that connects his eyes and goes under his nose. Add a border around his eyes. Make them stand out. Time to draw the shape of his head. Imagine a big, round egg and draw that. Don't forget to add his ears on top. They're like half circles on each side of his head. Moving down to the body, let's draw his hands. They're just two curved lines coming out from the sides of his body. Extend those curves to complete his arms. Panda power. Draw his belly below his arms. It's a rounded shape, just like his head. Now, draw his shorts below his belly. They're like a rectangle with rounded corners. Finally, draw his feet. They're big and round, just like panda paws. That's it, my creative friends. You did an awesome job. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back with more fun drawing tutorials soon. Until then, keep smiling and keep drawing.